Hey, what's up YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going over how I organized my pliers drawer and what organizer I'm using. I will also try and throw in some pictures here of other plier organizers. This one, hopefully I get the picture in here somewhere, being the one that I did own previously, and I did not like it for pliers, but it did work very well as a socket extension holder. It held all 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive extensions that I had, kept them from rolling around in my toolbox. So that's what I had used it for previously, but I'll throw in some others to let you guys know. And then in other videos, I'll be doing a screwdriver drawer organization, socket organization, and you guys have already seen my wrench organization with the toolbox widget, which is absolutely great. Hopefully I can throw in a little boop box for you guys if you guys haven't seen the toolbox widget yet. Absolutely amazing, saved me a buttload of space, and I'm extremely happy with it. But let's get into this plier drawer, show you how I organized it, the organizer I'm using, and I'll share some information with you as far as the pliers that I own. If you guys want any part numbers or anything on any of these pliers, I will do my best to absolutely get them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into this. Okay, so before I show you my pliers drawer, I do want to let you know that this is all subjective. I mean, this is what works best for me. You need to go ahead and look at all the different plier organizers out there and decide which one will work best for your needs. Originally, I did actually like keeping all of my tools or pliers, whatever, in their original casing as long as they were nice and easily accessible. But as your tools grow inside your toolbox, obviously you find yourself needing more room if you need more tools. So that's why we go with different organizers, finding out the ones that work best, kind of like the toolbox widget. You know, it saved me a lot of room in my wrench drawer. So with my pliers, instead of them all laying down flat, I still do have some laying down flat, but a majority of them are actually on a rack. But I'll try and throw some pictures up in here, or hopefully I have already, so you guys can see some different plier organizers. But this is what I went with. I went with this because you can actually cut it to length, and it is that wire rack, and you can, a lot of different companies make them. Ulsa, OEM Tools, I mean, a lot of different people make them. All you got to do is go on eBay or Amazon and type in Pliers Rack, and you'll find this rack along with many others, different lengths, you know, depending on how many pliers you have. And what's nice is you can cut this to size. I actually have this one cut right here where all my adjustable wrenches are, because I actually had this side on over here, so the pliers were actually facing each other. But now I have them all in a row, and everything turned out really nicely. So that's what I went with. Saved me a lot of room, and it was probably, I think, $20. Now a lot of people do go and buy those like wire shelves, or like dishes dryer area, you know, those little wire things, and they'll cut those up and basically make the exact same thing for really cheap. But this is nice because it comes ready to go and everything, and fits many different sizes of pliers, as you can tell, all different types. So over here on the right, I actually do have some Southwire pliers. These are multi-purpose pliers. These are some of their lineman pliers, gear wrench, lineman pliers, gear wrench, diagonal side cutters, Southwire, made in the USA side cutters, Knipex diagonal side cutters, Jesus. Gear wrench slip joint, snap-on slip joint, gear wrench, needle nose, Knipex, needle nose. And then I have some gear wrench end nippers here. I don't think I've ever used those actually. And then I just have a couple adjustable wrenches, an AN adjustable wrench, that Craftsman like knockoff adjustable wrench. And then I got the gear wrench double X pliers. So these are extremely long, and as long as it fits in your drawer, this organizer will hold it all. And then I have some Pittsburg long needle nose pliers, straight and angled. Same thing with the Knipex. These are amazing. And then I have some Tecton duck bills, some Tecton diagonal side cutters, some bigger guys. And then coming over here, I have the Pittsburg hose pliers, which are great for electrical connectors as well. Then I have gear wrench, pipe pliers, Knipex Cobras, the Boss Stitch and DeWalt adjustable pliers with the push button, kind of like the Knipex. And then I have my Milwaukee locking pliers over here as well. Now I could actually fit another one of these racks in here going along the front if I wanted to, because I do obviously have more pliers. I have the Van pliers, I have Southwire made in the USA, wire strippers, oil filter pliers, Knipex bolt cutters, and then basically snap ring pliers and the Easy Red Kiwi pliers, and then some panel poppers and stuff. So as you can tell, I do have a lot of pliers, but this rack holds a majority. I think it's 30, but I have 32 in here because that center section's cut with the adjustable wrenches. But it works really well. This is perfect for me, really cheap. I think I paid $20 for it. I'll try and link this rack down in the description as well as some others if you guys are interested. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what works best for you. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will do my absolute best to help you guys out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.